Hey guys, what's good? What's good? That was a pretty intense dump. I've just been watching it and chatting with the guys in the Discord. Sorry for the late night video. I was just in awe of what just happened. Matic is still looking healthy. I know you may not like hearing that, but it's still looking healthy in my opinion. We're sitting at $1.3043. We basically had our September dump within the span of like 1 hour. We're down almost 17%. We're sitting at a market cap of 8.94 billion. 24-hour volume is 2.38 billion. So we're just going to go straight into it today, guys. So we're here on the daily. So what I want to show you guys is we've come down to $1.29, which is also the 55 EMA, and we're starting to bounce back a little bit here. So if this is our dump, now of course that's not promised. We could continue the dumpage throughout the week, but as of right now, we're still looking very, very healthy. We came down to the 55, we bounced. We found a level of support here on the daily, and until we break the EMAs and we have the bearish cross, as we did right here, we're still looking bullish in my opinion. We're still in an uptrend, and we're still looking for continuation. We had our bearish divergence. I honestly was not expecting a dump to be that extremely vicious, but Matic came down. Let's see how much Matic came down with this dump here. So we'll go from our top here and come down. So Matic dropped, yeah, basically about 24%. If we look at Bitcoin, the wick came all the way down. Absolutely crazy. It was mind-blowing to watch. Down to 42K, and currently we're finding support here for Bitcoin. Let me open this up on the daily. We're finding support right at this level, right at about 46K. You can see we're even starting to come above that level as well. If we look at Bitcoin on the hourly, we are starting to see some green candles here. That doesn't mean that we won't continue to dump. Of course, that's a possibility, but we're extremely low on the RSI, so we're at least having a bit of a relief bounce here. But let's keep this about Matic. So if we come to Matic on the 4-hour chart, you can see that green recovery candle here. We did come down to a major level of support. I mean, this $1.30, we had bounce here. We had a bounce right here. We had support in this area as well. So if this is where we bounce, of course, your levels of resistance are the ones we just broke through. $1.51, $1.56, $1.59, $1.64, $1.70. Right now, we need to see if we're going to find a strong level of support here, or if we're going to see further sell-off. If we look at Ethereum, so Ethereum wicked all the way down to 2898, about 3,000. So Ethereum wicked all the way down to this level of support here. Had actually dropped it in at about 2904. See the support in this area? Let's put Ethereum on the daily. I believe it was also a previous swing high. This is fine. Yeah, previous swing high. So that's where we wicked all the way down to. And currently we're sitting just under 3575. So keep an eye on 3575. If we start hitting it as resistance, we could see that continuation. I would expect if we saw that continuation for us to find a strong level of support about 3321. But if we do end up breaking 3575, we could use that as support, come back and use that as support. But we may hit a little bit of resistance here. So I'm going to look at the daily chart for Ethereum here. So our bearish divergence looks like it's fully played out, but as you can see here, the RSI still has a lot of room to come down if we were to see that future sell-off here. We were watching it in the Discord, we were chatting in the Discord, and everyone was kind of like, holy smokes. It just absolutely wicked down so quickly. I got liquidated on one of my trades and it didn't feel too good. So even now on the daily, you can see we've come all the way back and we're back above the EMAs on the daily. So we're still looking healthy. That was just an absolutely massive dump. But if we do start holding support back above the EMAs on the daily, we're still looking healthy for continuation. We create a level of support and we see a reversal. We start trending back upwards. You're going to see many of these coins and many of the altcoins start to absolutely explode off of this bounce. All right, guys. I have entered some trades here. I'm a risk taker. I re-entered my trade for Phantom and it's starting to come back a little bit, but I'm watching it very closely, guys. But this is about Polygon here. So do keep an eye on $1.29 as a strong level of support. So do keep an eye on $1.30 as a strong level of support. And if we do see a bounce from these levels, we have to get back up past these levels, $1.51, $1.56. This is the golden ratio. If we get back above it, turn it back into support, then it was just a quick dump and we're going to see our recovery. But if we continue to sell off here, if we were to continue to see that sell off here, we have that major level at $1.23. And I don't think we would break that level of support. In my opinion, of course, it's possible. But if we were to break that and we head down to $1, we're going to start creating the bearish cross on the daily. We lose the EMAs, we come down to these levels of support, and we create the bearish cross. Unless we came down quickly and bounced right back up, I do have a feeling we're going to hold support of either $1.30 or $1.23. Maybe see a little bit of consolidation before we see a recovery, because if we do come down to these levels, and especially if we lose $1, will give us a strong signal that we would head into a bear market, and I simply don't believe that's going to happen. There's been too many bullish signals, in my opinion, those huge reversal patterns on many of the charts, and the fact that we're still above the EMAs on the daily, we're still above the 55. Of course, there is the chance of just continuous dumpage and sending us into a bear market, but I don't think it's likely, in my opinion. All right, guys. So that's it for this one. Just a quick update. Apologies about the camera. It's super late here. Well, it's not super late, but it's nighttime. It's about 7-8 o'clock now. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Check out the Discord. Smash the like button. See you in the next one. All right. Much love. Take care.